Hello. My name is Emily. Do you sell souvenirs? I like this hat. How much is this hat? I will buy it. Thank you very much. Goodbye. I am hungry. I want to eat breakfast. Do you have bread? I want a sandwich. How much is the sandwich? I will take it. Thanks a lot. I want to sit here. The weather is nice today. I like New York. I want to go for a walk. I will go to the park. Can you help me? I would like to visit the park. I appreciate it. I will walk. I like flowers. I want to take a picture. Can you take a picture for me? Thanks so much. I am tired. I need to rest. I want to drink water. Do you have water? I will buy a bottle of water. I am grateful to you. I feel better. I want to go shopping. I will take the subway. I need to buy a ticket. I do not understand. Could you guide me? I thank you. I will go to Soho. I like taking the subway. Where am I? I need to find a store. Can you show me the way? I am very grateful. I like shopping. I want to buy this shirt. How much is this shirt? I will take this shirt. Can I pay with a card? Thank you for your help. I will come back later. I want to have lunch. Can you suggest a restaurant? I like pizza. Where is the pizza restaurant? I really appreciate you. I will go eat pizza. Can I order food? I want a slice of pizza. Do you have soda? I will take a soda. The food is delicious. I am full. Can I pay the bill? Thank you for the great food. I want to go to the library. Where is the library? I will walk there. I like reading books. Do you have English books? I want to borrow a book. Do I need a library card? I will read here. This room is quiet. I like this book. I want to take the ferry. Where does the ferry go? I will buy a ferry ticket. The ferry is here. I like riding the ferry. The breeze is nice. I see the Statue of Liberty. I want to take a photo. The view is beautiful. I want to go to Brooklyn. I am in Brooklyn. I want to see the Brooklyn Bridge. Where is the bridge? I will walk across the bridge. The bridge is beautiful. I see Manhattan. I want to photograph the bridge. Today was amazing. I love New York. I am tired, but happy. I will go home. Goodbye, New York. Thanks for watching.